Look around your room right now. The colors, the solid walls, the precise depth of space. It feels entirely real. But according to advanced neuroscientific data, what you are experiencing is not physical reality. It is a highly optimized, beautifully rendered simulation running inside a dark, isolated bone fortress, your skull. Your brain has never seen a single photon of light, nor has it ever touched a solid object. It sits in absolute darkness, decoding raw electrical binary code. But here is the terrifying catch. Some minds run on a completely customized operating system. If you have ever experienced these rare hidden sensory anomalies, your matrix is executing structural commands that 98% of the human population cannot compute. Let's look inside your hardware. Sign number 1, the 7-second latency glitch. Think about the last time you made a conscious choice, choosing what to watch, what to eat, or when to click a button. You feel like the absolute pilot of your mind. But when neuroscientists hooked patients up to advanced fMRI matrices, they discovered a brutal security dropout. Your subconscious network finalizes a decision up to 7 full seconds before your conscious mind even registers the choice. While your conscious ego is still debating, your frontal cortex has already signed the contract and initiated the physical action. If you often experience sudden, hyper-accurate intuitive bursts where your body acts perfectly before your thoughts can form, you aren't just processing faster. Your conscious awareness has a rare, razor-sharp synchronization link with your deep subconscious hardware. Sign number 2, the frozen clock phenomenon. Have you ever quickly snapped your eyes to look at a ticking second hand and felt like that very first second stood frozen in place for an impossibly long time? This is called chronostasis, and it reveals a massive rendering patch in human vision. When your eyes move rapidly, your brain suffers from extreme motion blur. To prevent motion sickness, your visual cortex cuts the live feed entirely, leaving you momentarily blind. But to hide this dark memory gap from you, your internal graphics engine takes the very first stable image your eye captures after the movement, and retroactively pastes it backward in time to fill the empty void. If you experience this freeze constantly and vividly, your visual cortex is overclocking its temporal stretching mechanism, fabricating a longer, customized timeline of reality just for you. Sign number 3, aggressive synaptic pruning. While you sleep tonight, your brain doesn't just rest, it transforms into a ruthless, automated system cleaner. Specialized glial cells crawl through your neural matrix like system cleaners, actively deploying chemical scissors to cut, dismantle, and completely dissolve weak or underutilized synaptic connections. This is the biological equivalent of formatting a hard drive. Your brain literally deletes parts of your past and alters your neural architecture to save processing bandwidth for tomorrow. If you are someone who wakes up with highly vivid, abstract architectural dreams, or if you can completely forget trivial details while retaining complex, rare knowledge with perfect clarity, your brain's pruning algorithm is running a highly customized, hyper-aggressive filtering matrix sign. Number 4, change blindness and memory caching. Your visual system cannot process the sheer volume of data in front of you. To save processing power, your brain executes a brutal shortcut. It only updates core shapes. If a massive object changes right when you blink, your brain refuses to reload the scene. Instead, it copy-pastes an outdated memory file directly over your current vision. You are looking at a fake, cached image of the past, completely blind to a changing matrix. If you are among the rare few who immediately spot micro-glitches in your environment, subtle shifts in lighting, slight movements of background objects, your processor is running a hyper-advanced, real-time refresh rate, bypassing the brain's natural lazy rendering loops. Our minds are not passive windows to the world. They are active, aggressive computational engines that fabricate, edit, and censor the universe to keep our conscious awareness from lagging out. Your reality is entirely unique to your hardware. To decode the hidden security dropouts, deep glitches, and subatomic mechanics operating inside your subconscious matrix, click the subscribe button right now. Let's map your mind. Welcome to Neural Fact.